Their box has a little bear on it.
Guys, it burned.
She's disgusting. We're back. We are inside the camper again. Finally, we're gonna try to get some stuff done. Mainly, we're gonna try to start wallpapering. This wall right here seems like it's probably gonna be the easiest place to start, so we're gonna do that. I think it's pretty easy to pop that window out. So I'm going to take that out so we don't have to try and trim around it. We can just do the wallpaper, cut out the hole, put the window back in, and I think that's going to be the best way to do it. So we are going to do that and see how it goes.
Now what are we gonna do with this?
You get to wear it like an apron. Turn.
He just doesn't like the yellow shorts.
Now get in the kitchen and make me some cookies.
Stop it!
Alright. I'm gonna call that good enough for tonight. Bye everyone. New shirt.
New shirt, new shorts, new service.
So the wallpaper didn't quite go to the end. It's like that far away from it. So instead of running a whole nother strip of wallpaper down, I'm just gonna put new trim around the edges. And so I bought this real thin board. I'm gonna cut it down to the width I need and then stick it up on the wall and cover up the edges of the wallpaper, and it'll be great. So I already measured my width, I measured that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and we'll stick it up there. So this is all we're gonna do for wallpaper right here. We added trim around it to dress it up a little bit. When we paint the rest of the walls, we will paint this trim as well. And I think it looks good. What do you think, Angie?
Love it. And we bought paint tonight that we're going to try out.
We're going to try it out, but it's top secret. Also means we're saving that for another video.
Cliffhanger.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on Instagram, Build an Adventure, and we will see you next time.